Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Clark here, your librarian. There are 3 books I'm going to tell you about that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called My Life as an Ice Cream Sandwich. 12-year-old Ebony Grace has lived with her beloved grandmother in Alabama ever since she was little. As one of the first Black engineers to integrate NASA, her grandmother nurtured Ebony Grace's love for all things outer space and science fiction, especially Star Wars and Star Trek. But in the summer of 1984, when trouble arises with her grandmother, it's decided she'll spend a few weeks with her father in Harlem, New York. Harlem is an exciting and terrifying place for a sheltered girl from Alabama, and Ebony Grace's first instinct is to retreat into her imagination. But soon, 126th Street begins to reveal that it has more in common with her beloved sci-fi adventures than she ever thought possible, and by summer's end, Ebony Grace discovers that Harlem has a place for a girl whose eyes are always on the stars. This is a phenomenal story of a girl finding her place in a world that's changing at warp speed. You are not going to want to miss this book. The next book is Mercy Suarez, Cant Dance. 7th grade is going to be a real trial for Mercy Suarez. For science, she's got no-nonsense Mr. Ellis, who expects her to be as smart as her brother. She's been assigned to co-manage the tiny school store with Wilson, a boy she barely knows, but whom she might actually like. And she's tangling again with classmate Edna, who's bossier and more obnoxious than ever now that she's in charge of the annual Heart Ball. One thing is for sure, though, Mercy Suarez can't dance. Not at the Heart Ball or anywhere else. Dancing makes her almost as queasy as love does, especially now that her dance teacher Aunt has a new man in her life. Unfortunately, Mercy can't seem to avoid love or dance for very long. She used to talk about everything with her grandfather, but with his Alzheimer's getting worse each day, whom can she trust to help her make sense of all the new things happening in her life? Mercy takes on 7th grade with all its travails of friendship, family, love, and finding a rhythm. I highly recommend this book if you're looking for some humor and some love for a Valentine's Day read. The last book I'm going to tell you about is Strike Zone. 12-year-old star Little League pitcher Nick Garcia has a dream. Several, in fact. He dreams he'll win this season's MVP and the chance to throw out the first pitch at Yankee Stadium. He dreams he'll meet his hero, Yankees pitcher Michael Arroyo. He dreams they'll find a cure for lupus so his sister won't have to suffer. But mostly, he dreams one day his family can stop living in fear of the government. For one kid, it's almost too much to bear. Luckily, Nick has his 2 best friends, Ben and Diego, to keep him balanced. But when Nick notices a mysterious man lurking on his street corner, he senses a threat. Suddenly, his worst fears are realized, and just when it seems there's no one they can trust, an unexpected hero emerges and changes everything. This is one thrilling and fast-paced story, exceptional for those of you interested in lively sports action and rooting for the main character on and off the field. It's one of our Young Hoosier books for this year. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available for checkout at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to snag a copy and have a great day!